Shibun Fibro, Kajimutip Namta result, coverage on Kipus, Kibalai, Numbaka, Meghalaya Lokayukta. The selection committee of the Meghalaya Lokayukta have recommended the following candidates for appointment in the post as below. The post Kibalai Jong Peon Kiwei, record keeper, record sorter, the Ibayo de San Kupar Nongrang, mark secure, the proper, UR category, Dofteri Konstantin Minsong, Kamak secure, the proper UR category, yang post Peon, Kibayo ilong day tilang, Kong Maulo, Kenneth Arnold Khalruki, Man Halang Nongsteng, but Silchang di Sangma, Telai Mak secure, proper nai, proper new, proper san, new sao, the UR category, khasi Janti Arngut, Garo Kiwei. Chokidar Aiban Halang Khongla, Mak secure, new san, UR category. Cleaner Wan biang Rani, proper nai Mak secure, UR category. And driver Nelapni, Mak secure, but driving test, Maripendek Borar. Sanbok Lang the car, Mak secure, written, proper point san, driving test, new point review, UR category. Bawan Kupar Maukiu, proper point san, but sun point R, driving test, Hasi Jantia, Napok Garo category, Bayo, Jojarang M Sangma, new flow point san, new fly point san, written, but driving, yo sun point 9, Garo category. The above candidate may collect their appointment order from this office. Taking a gibala me kerteng have a let collect appointment jonki yapok office. All the candidates appointed as above are to join their post within 30 September 2024. And have join your post jonki within 30 September. Hapo like Podrick September Japsao. All candidates have appeared in the above test may view their own marks secure in the result declared and uploaded in the website of this office www.lokayukta.meghalaya.gov.in. Ba baro candidate kibala appear ya kita post baro mo in the above test may view kila ban check ya marks jonki baki yo haka in the result declare and uploaded in the website yang la upload apa website www.lokayukta.meghalaya.gov.in. Di kila ban page ya marks ru kibala lek ban exam ya kane la bim sohun ya ayu kila ban check marks yang ba ada ban like po ka website Jong Meghalaya Lokayukta lokayukta.meghalaya.gov.in. All candidates who have appeared in the above test may view their own marks. Kilaban page iki marks Jong ladi. Secure the result declare and uploaded in the website of this office. Te tangin higi jumutip khule shibun.